So herzlich willkommen bei RS4K Kanal. Today I will be going over the A1 Networks book Capital 1. So you have bought this book. Now for those who need some help and where do we start, what are the different components, so how do I start rolling, so this video will be helpful. I have made a video separately on how to use this book, so if you have not seen that, please go and have a look at that video. That will give you a detail of what are the different icons in the books and how to make the most out of the book. Alright, so this video we have got the book Netzwerk A1 Deutsch als Fremdsprache, so Deutsch as a foreign language. To get started with this book, as I tell in all other videos, you have to keep the glossary with you, but I don't recommend doing this often. Just if you are like totally new and you need something to get started, you have the glossary. Otherwise, as you progress, you don't keep the glossary. Instead of that, according to the context, start judging the meaning of the words, so that will help in the long run. Alright, so when we go down, few key things, you can download the material audios from the website. So each of the book will have a separate code. You have to use that code. Of course, this is a PDF, so there will not be there. You purchase a hard copy from Goel Publishers. You will get CDs as well, but you can use the code and download from the internet. Next, so these are the points which I have explained in a separate video. The chapters or the capitals or the Lektions, they are divided as like Guten Tag, then Freunde, Kollegen und ich, like friends, so in their city, so in their Stadt. Guten Appetit, all about food. Tag für Tag, the complete day from start to end. Zeit mit Freunden, time with friends. Kontakte, like contacts. Meine Wohnung, all about the living place, the apartment or the house. Alles Arbeit, everything about work. Kleidung and Mode, so about fashion and dresses, so outfits. And Gesund und munter, so that's about living healthy. And Ab in den Urlaub, so it's about the vacation. So these 12 units are well structured. Let's go into the chapter 1, Guten Tag. So when you go to the chapter 1, every chapter has one Lernziele. The top, if you see, there is a Lernziele. Okay, it is too thick, I guess. All right, so Lernziele is the learn goal, the learning goal. So what is the goal of this unit? Ziele is goal. So what all we are going to read from this unit is Grüßen und Verabschieden. Grüßen is to greet, Verabschieden is to the opposite of Grüßen. Sich und andere vorstellen. Sich und andere vorstellen. Sich is oneself, andere is another person, vorstellen is to introduce. So it's actually sich vorstellen. The verb is sich vorstellen. So sich und andere vorstellen. So I'll recommend not writing the English meaning of the words anywhere in the book. Don't have that as habit. The meaning should automatically go into our brain. It should get registered. It's a new language. It will take time, but slowly things should start settling in the places. So I would recommend not writing the meanings in the book. Also same like as I don't recommend using the glossary often. Okay, the third point is über sich und andere sprechen. So über, about, sich, oneself, and under, another person, sprechen, to speak about oneself and another person. The last one is not that one. Zahlen bis 20. So Zahlen is numbers till 20. Und telefonieren und E-Mail-Adresse sagen. So telephone number und email address sagen. Telephone number and email address, to speak about telephone number and email address. All right. Buchstabieren is to spell out the name. So example, if it is Guten, the Buchstabieren will be G-U-T-A-N. So Guten, T-A-G. So Tag. So that is Buchstabieren. This will give you introduction about the pronunciation of the German alphabets. The script is going to be same as English, just extra 4 syllables. So that is about Buchstabieren. Then über Länder und Sprachen sprechen. So about lands, Länder, Sprachen is the language, sprechen is to speak. So Sprachen sprechen, to speak about languages and other like lands, Länder. All right. So now coming to the grammatic. One second, I'll just need to see something. Okay. So grammatic W-Frage, Aussagesatz, Verben und Personalpronomen 1. So personal pronomen 1. So that we'll see as we go on. Now you can directly go to the, all right, so you can go to the first, we can ignore this first question. So one thing I would suggest is when you go through, just read and using the questions, right? In the questions we will see these verbs, kennen Sie. So start reading these questions, even though if you don't answer, no issues. Read these questions and just make these verbs familiar to your brain. So kennen Sie, andere deutsche Wörter. So kennen Sie is do you know. Kennen is to know. Sie is the formal for you. So kennen Sie, it's gross Z, which is capital Z. So if you see capital S, you call as Z, we don't tell C. So capital Z, andere deutsche Wörter sammeln. So that was just a quick tip. You note down all these words. No need to note down. Just read as you see and get familiar. All right. Next is we'll go to the. So if you don't anything about Deutsch, no issues. You go to 2. Every page, in the top there is something given like this. Focus on every page, every single page in all the books of Netzwerk they have given. This will tell what this page is dealing about. So always have an habit of looking through the top of the book. And one more beautiful thing is at the bottom of the book the numbers will be given in Deutsch. So it is Zehn. See here, it is Zehn. So focus on this. Whichever page you are, just read whatever it is. Like 93, 93. So slowly you will get the habit of registering. So that is one. All right. Now I will go back. So when we go here, so what it's given, Grüßen, sich vorstellen, verabschieden. So how do you greet? Sich vorstellen. How do you introduce about yourself? It is sich vorstellen. So this page deals with sich vorstellen. The next page deals with sich und andere vorstellen. It's about introducing another person. And the last is verabschieden. I said it's opposite of Grüßen, which is taking leave and telling bye bye. So 2a. So you have to listen to the audio. You have to listen to the audio, and then this dialogue will be played in the audio. They will be speaking. So we will see. Hello Nina. So before that, I'll not go deep into this. I'm just giving tips on this. For more detailed thing, just drop me a comment and I'll take care of it. Hallo, wer bist du? Hören Sie und lesen Sie. Wie heißen Sie Personen? So what they are asking, hello, wer bist du? Like who are you? Hören Sie und lesen Sie. Hören is to hear, lesen is to read. Hören Sie und lesen Sie. Wie heißen die Personen? So what are these persons called? What are the persons called? Heißen is called, to call. Like ich heiße, I am called as, right? So hallo Nina, hallo Gregor, wie geht's? Danke, sehr gut. Und dir? Es geht, danke. So a simple first conversation or a dialogue in Deutsch. Hallo Nina, hallo Gregor, wie geht's? So how is it going? Wie geht's? How is it going? Danke, sehr gut. Und dir. This is something very important to note. Und dir, like for you. It is not how are you. It is for you. So es geht, danke. Yeah, it going good. Like yeah, it goes. Thank you. So people make a mistake of wie geht's, danke. Und du, that's wrong. Like and you, it's not like how are you? It's like how is it going? So the second dialogue, hallo Nina, hallo Julia, wie geht's? Danke, gut. Und dir? Es geht. Again, und dir. The third dialogue, hallo, ich bin Julia. Und du? Wer bist du? Like wer bist du is who are you? Ich heiße Gregor. Entschuldigung, wie heißt du? Gregor. So the last is choose. So when he is getting relief, like when they are taking a leave, they tell choose bis bald. You can tell like bis Montag, bis Dienstag, whenever, until we meet, right? Okay, so that was the dialogue. The next is the next page speaks about the Grüßen sich und andere vorstellen. So Grüßen sich und andere vorstellen, verabschieden. So if you see here, this dialogue will have introducing another person. So the first dialogue says, mein Name is Nina, guten Morgen Frau Ber, ich heiße Hansen. So they are introducing self. But in the second dialogue, third dialogue, if you go there, guten Tag Frau Weber, hallo Herrsen, das ist mein Kollegen. So see here, this person is introducing another person. And yeah, so he is telling, das ist meine Kollegin Natalia Kowalski. So here, andere vorstellen. So he is introducing another person. All right. So the last dialogue is auf Wiedersehen. Choose, auf Wiedersehen, auf Wiedersehen. So auf Wiedersehen is like verabschieden. How do they get leave? How do they leave each other? So this is how we have to progress through the unit. So every unit will have one yellow color text box, which is the grammar part. So ich heiße, ich bin, du heißt, du bist, sie heißen, sie sind. So all these things you have to take care. So if you are studying in an institute or with a teacher, I hope they will be giving all these things. And coming to the next page, über sich und andere sprechen. To speak about sich, to speak about you and andere sprechen. To speak about you and another person, sprechen. So here it's given about the details of a person with the Strasse, the street, phone number, email ID. So pretty much straightforward. The next one in this unit is Zahlen und Buchstaben. So that's a number. It's a very good rap actually. There'll be one song, I think 1.9. So if you listen to this track, it will be very nice. Yeah, Zahlen rap. That's what it's given, right? Zahlen rap. Die Zahlen. Hören Sie den Zahlen rap und sprechen Sie dann laut mit. So it will be very nice. You can sing along with it. So the last, I think we are to the end of this unit. We have these are pretty much like you have to read this. You have to read this text and mark in the table where these persons are coming. And this box is something important. So when we tell like I come from USA, we should tell like aus den USA. But when we tell Spanien, it is aus Spanien. It is not like aus den Spanien. So that is this box. There is an exclamatory, right? That is an Achtung. We have to note. We have to pay attention to it. The last section is the film. They are film. Every section, every capital has one film in it, where Ella, Felix, and Bia, the three characters, will come along, and it will be a very nice film. This is available in YouTube. The link will be there in the book, so you can go through that. All right, so we end off the unit. So the last part is just a revision, like what all we have studied about Begrüßen, Verabschieden, sich und andere vorstellen, über sich und andere sprechen, nach dem Befinden fragen und darauf antworten. So Grammatik, we have studied W-Frage, Aussagesatz und Verben und Personal Pronomen. Like ich is for me, I do for you. So ich always better than this one. Like what my teachers like taught us, ich, wir. So ich is the first person, and wir is we all. Ich is singular, wir, then do, ihr. So do is informal you, and the plural form is ihr. So capital Z is the formal for you, and the plural for capital Z is also Z. And for he, she, and it is RZS, and the plural is small z. So it is RZS man. R is he, Z is she, S is it, and man is one. Like one should not do this, one should stay here, like that. Okay, I think we're end of this unit. Hope you would have got some clarity on this. I'll catch you up with more such videos. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up. If you like it more, please share it with your friends. Until we meet up in another video, take care. Bye bye. Auf Wiedersehen. Tschüss.